Hello guys, now we are showing at the BIRTV show and we are using our products Star100 wireless microphone. The microphone has very good features that the receiver has a built-in mic, so the video guys behind the camera can also join in the video shooting. And now we are at the exhibition and we are using the microphone and shoot the video shooting by the iPhone 13 Pro. And now it's normal sound, and I can press the noise reduction button. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's noise reduction, so you can hear the difference. I back to the normal version, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 for testing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.